I'm finding this very exciting, actually. Thinking about, like, it feels like it's an enormous part of my world that I've neglected. And it sounds like you're saying, once you're embodied, it's hard to do harm to others. I'm excited. It feels really important. I need to learn how to do this. I need to learn how to talk to my body and listen to my body better. We had a great conversation with Howard Schubiner, who's just written a book called Unlearn Your Pain. So this idea that chronic pain is your body learns to feel pain and you can unlearn to feel it because the body is telling you something is unsafe when it is actually safe. Your body has experiences, and it can come out as pain, but it could be that it's actually an emotional experience. It's just being expressed as a physical pain. And we neglect to see that because we don't understand the way our bodies work and the way pain works and the way our brains work in many ways too.